Hi there. Today, let's talk about how to create contacts on HubSpot. To start with, let me give you a basic example. Imagine going shopping but not having a shopping bag to hold all the stuff that you have just got. How are you going to manage getting home holding all your possessions? Think of HubSpot as that shopping bag that can hold all your contacts and their important information under one roof, so that you can focus on running your email campaigns targeting these contacts and other activities. Gathering all your contacts and their important information in one place is part of contact management on HubSpot. How streamlined, isn't it? The contacts you have in your database are the crux of your marketing, sales, and customer strategies. They're the real people you are providing value to. These contacts are important for you as they help grow your business. These could be website visitors that filled in a form or a potential customer who interacted with your team at any given point of time. Before jumping to the process, let's look at the outcome of creating contacts in HubSpot. By creating contacts in HubSpot, your team can record and store important zero information about business interactions and help all the concerned teams to access details about contacts in one place. You can run campaigns, assign leads to internal teams, automate, and more. While your internal teams can use these contacts created on HubSpot to run their campaigns, anyone who has authorized access to this HubSpot account can add contacts. Let's now see how you can put your shopped possessions into the shopping bag neatly. Step 1. As a first step, log into your HubSpot account. Step 2. To manually create contact in HubSpot, click on Contacts visible in the upper left-hand corner. Step 3. Click on Contacts under Contacts. Tip: both the desktop and mobile versions are slightly different. There's a different icon for mobile for contacts, but this would be easy to explore and identify, so don't worry. Based on your access permission, you will either be able to view, edit, or delete the contacts pre-existing in the list. Step 4. In the right-hand section, click on the Create Contact tab, after which a small window appears. Step 5. Manually start entering all the information. Note that when you enter the contact's email address, it should be unique and not pre-exist in your database. Try and enter as much information as possible to help your sales, marketing, and other teams that may need access to this contact information. Your Create Contact form can be customized based on your business needs with the relevant properties. What's more, you can customize who has access to this contact information. Step 6. Once this is done, go to the bottom left icon and Create Contact. If you want to add another, then you have the option of Create and Add Another. Now that we know how to create contacts on HubSpot and manage them, let's talk about the other aspect. Segmentation. Remember the shopping bag we spoke about? Now, instead of just one shopping, if you have 2 or 3 shopping bags, it can help you segment the things you bought. This is what HubSpot also does. It helps you with contact segmentation. With this, you can segment your contacts based on their preferences and similarities, and then send them relevant, customized messages at the right time. Easy, right? Now, you can focus on running your campaigns, assigning leads, automate, and more. Now that you know how to manually create contacts on HubSpot, go ahead and let us know how simple it was. Watch this space for more such HubSpot tutorials by liking and subscribing to our channel.